Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all. Today I have this abacus and I will tell you that how we can use it to learn about place value, about hundred, tens and ones. And as you know that abacus is the old Chinese way of collecting data. So in this way we are going to learn about the value of hundred, tens and ones. Here you can see there are three sticks we have with a lot of beads in them, and here it is written hundred, tens and ones. The lowest value that we are having here is ones. Then we have tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Till 90 we have tens, and then hundreds like 100, 200, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then comes thousands, 1000, 2000, 3000. Okay, so we are going to learn about that how to put the value here on this abacus and learn about that. So it's very easy. So all the beads are here. So if I want to make 324, so what I will take at 100 place, I will take 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is my 300 and I will put rest of them back. 320, 10, 20. So I will put rest of them. I don't have to need 20 beads here, no. My 2 beads give me the value of 20. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 324. It's easy. Okay. So if I want to make it 110, so I just need 1 here and I will put rest of them back. 100. For 10 I just need 1. 10, 110. So 110. So it means at one's place we don't need any bead. So it is 110. Let's make one more value. Let's take 543. So how many hundreds I need? At 100 place I need 5. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. 540. 10, 20, 30, 40. Keep in mind we will always start counting from down. 543. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. So this is 543. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please share with your friends, and you can also learn your children about the place value through this video. So please like it and subscribe my channel if you are new. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.